let's go back to school. And on this video, I'm going to show you my lovely school bag. Hello. So I have these keychains, you can see right here, and I have this thing so I don't get lost, and it has my name and my dad's phone number so I don't get lost, or this bag doesn't get. And this one is my favorite one because I went to Paris, and this one is my also favorite one because it's a little cute teddy bear to hang in my bag, and I have this little guy that I really love. So I have this water bottle that can go on my bag so I don't need to carry it. Now I'm going to show you what I have inside my school bag. First thing, I have lots and lots of books. And this one's a really cute one because it's a panda. By the way, I got these from Smith. Everything here is from Smith. I'm really loving every single thing I have. Go to the second bag. I got this bag and I can put my food inside, and I bought it from Smith Toys Super Toys. And I can color this here. I can color it with these colors, and I'm going to color it. So now I'm going to be putting all of my food in my packed lunch. First, I'm putting mango juice, chocolate cake, Oreos, Kinder, and banana. And you should eat every day one banana in your school, or a fruit. And then wipes or tissue. And water. And you also have to have a sandwich to take back to school, so it's a healthy meal, and so you can get a full. And I'm going to put it in my packed lunch tomorrow morning. In the morning, today is first day of school, and I'm just waiting for the bus. At the same time, I am